Okay, mate. Yeah, sushi here. Let's have a look. Any comments when we can long this? Also, Ant, diverging from the market. Yeah, let's look at that. I know the pattern on Ant has been forming for many months. The 9-week candle here, right? This is what we gotta look at. You know, before in the past, let me delete that. Before in the past, what happened is, you know, you get these candles here, and then you pop up, take liquidity, and then you reject and come back down. See the red candle? That's the worry here. That's the worry all over the market, that we do something like that, because, well, technically we are still in a bear market. So are we going to pop up now and fail to go higher and then form another red 9-week candle back down? That's the worry, and that's what we got to be careful of. Okay, so if we pop up and have a small move up and then drop and flip red again, you may need to get out of some of your trades if you don't want to be holding longer term. But if we dip first and pop up and start flipping green again, that would be more bullish in my view, and then you know, it could then possibly lead to a move higher. So we do need to be reactive here on a new 9-week, and there's a new 9-week candle in 2 days time. Let me just change this to green. There's a new 9-week candle in 2 days time. So is this time different? Is this time different is what we need to try and figure out. Now, if I go to a 3-day chart, there is a possibility that it's different, right? And there's a few reasons for that. Now, one of the first main reason here is, you know, there has been big buyers come into the market. There's been some whales come into the market. The other reason is, not all coins, but some coins have started to recapture the white 100. Now here, as you can see, when it fails back below it, it's very bad and very dangerous. Okay, so we want price to hold above the white 100 moving average. Breaking back below it is very dangerous. That can lead to further downside and new lows, maybe a stop onto the lows before coming back up and having the real apex. Okay, so it's interesting here. Now, above large volume can give a sell-off, which we are getting, and it doesn't have to get above it, but large volume like this can cause sell-offs. The question, what we don't know, is how low is this going to sell? How much is this going to sell off? So a new 9-week is extremely important. That's the way I would play it. I think we need to be reactive. I think a small dip on a new 9-week can be a buying opportunity to see if that can pop up and flip green again. If it can pop up and flip green again, so small dip on a new 9-week, pop up, flip green, hold green for the 9-week, and move on. Right? That's the way we want to see it. If price bounces and fails and drops red again, and flips red on the 9-week, that's dangerous. And if it drops below the white 100, extremely dangerous. Now, a lot of coins have held this level and moved up into the red 200. The issue, I would say, with sushi is the distance here is big. It's still quite large. What I do like about it is I do like that there's volume coming in. I do like that the purple is dropping down, right? Price wants to get above the purple. Getting above the purple is bullish, and that can lead to big moves higher. Okay, so I think we need to see what we get at this point in time, right? I think now in 2 days time there's a new 9-week candle. I think that this low probably needs to hold. I would say the buys and dips back into here somewhere can be buying opportunities to see if we can get that move and stay green then and get the move up. That's a 3-day candle. So dips on a new 3-day down into here. Let's see if they can hold.